Hi and welcome back to another update on Angus, the 1977 Mini 1000. In this episode today I'm going to cut off the driver's side quarter panel, so stick around for that. Right, let's make a start and getting this off. I've obviously cleaned this up previously, so where I can see the spot welds from the factory, I'll just give them a little mark with the centre punch. That will just make the spot weld drill pick up the old spot weld easier, and we can drill it out, hopefully this time without going right through. So let's give that a go. Now that's most of these drilled out there, as you can see. So what I'll do now is I'll just cut the bulk of this away so that I can remove it. So I'll just run up here with the grinder and we'll get most of it out so that I'm only left with the little bits, and then I can pick away at them. Well, that's the plan anyway. So let's get the bulk of this quarter panel cut off. Well, steamed up, I can't see a thing. That's how cold it is in here. But mind you, the heater is on. Right, that's one bit cut out, and I'm pleased to say I haven't cut anything behind it, so that's a bonus. So what I'll do now is I'll cut along here, down here and round the arch. Right, I think we'll go with the full face shield, because this keeps steaming up. So let's give this one a go. Right, that should be hopefully it off. Right, there we go. So that's it off. You can see the rot on the inside at the top, obviously where the paint in the factory didn't reach it. So I'll make sure I get paint up there on the new panel so that we don't get this. But to be fair, it's not too bad. You could clean that back and paint it, I suppose, if you weren't changing the quarter panel. But that's it gone, and now we've got a big hole in the car. Well, that's the panel off, and gives me more room now to work on the car. And also I'll get the back of this cleaned and primed before I obviously fit the new panel. We'll do that in a separate episode, fitting up the panel, because I've got a few other bits and pieces I need to get done first, i.e. the wheel tub, and just tidying up basically. So yeah, I've deliberately left these on at the moment, so what I'll do now is I'll get this cleaned off, and I'll just pick the remains of the quarter panel off here. Same with the wheel tub, although I'm changing it, but I just want to make sure that I line the panel up back onto the arch of the wheel tub if I can, you know. And obviously I've got this to pick off now. So yeah, it's starting to get there, it really is. Can't wait to get this back on the road. That's that bit obviously picked off, so it's not too bad. I've obviously got to cut further up, but that's just a baseline for just now. I'll obviously get this tidied up here, and maybe see if I can fill the holes. So yeah, getting there. Obviously got this side to do now. It's absolutely freezing, it's -2 outside. And it's snowing, so yeah, let's crack on. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm just grinding back the remains of the old panel, as you can see there, and then just chopping it off with the chisel. It's hard to see where the spot weld marks are, so this way I should be able to take it off, hopefully without causing too much damage to the rear panel. So yeah, I'll just crack on with that. Okay, off camera I've filled up all these holes in the B-pillar where I drilled through in the spot, the spot welds. So they've all been filled up now. That's looking good. And there was a little slit up there, so I've welded that in as well. So while I've got the welder out, it's a perfect opportunity to get this welded up here. I did look at a bit of copper bar, but I don't know where I'll put it. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll get a bit of copper bar, stick that behind in here, and we'll get that welded up. I'll just clean that back first so that it hopefully makes an easier weld. Right, I'm happy with that. That's that hole finally welded up. Just remembered I've got this hole here to do, so I'll do that now. Right, as if by magic, that hole there's welded up. Because I put a bit of copper bar at the back of it, hopefully that weld will be flat at the back. So we'll get that off and we'll get a wee look at it. Right, that's a bit of copper taken off it. So let's get a look at the inside. Ah, fuck. One tiny little pinhole I can see at the bottom where I've missed it. Right, we've got another doddy weld into that. Right, that's another wee doddy weld pit in that. So I'll just flatten that back. And give that a quick little clean. And that'll be that. That's the quarter panel trial fitted again. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Forgot to weld this hole up. I can do that later because I can get to the back of it quite easily. So yeah, still got a bit of trimming to do along here. Maybe take a little smidge off this as well. I'll take it off the actual quarter panel because that is just a little tight. It's fitting up with the waist rail okay, and the door gap, that's good, that's looking fine. It will want to go in a little touch here. I can push that in. It's actually kicking out down here. You can see that under there, you can actually see it's kicking out, which that will go in, no problem at all. Got it clamped at the back there. So yeah, quite happy with that. So what I'll do is I'll trim a little bit off there, and that'll be that quarter panel. The cuts all ready for it to go in. I do have a little bit to repair here at the back where the metal was just knackered. It was really soft there. The flap disc went through it, so I'll have to repair that. I might just cut it out, put a new lip on that. So yeah, it's looking good. Right guys, well we'll wrap it up there for today. I'll just continue fettling that ever so slightly so I know the quarter panel's ready to fit, or it's all cut out, or the cuts are all ready for it to fit I should say. I'm that tired, been in here all day. Anyway, once again guys, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.